Hey guys, I'm going to go a little more in depth on this project. We're lowering a basement floor. I'm going to show the things that we run into. A lot of people, when they want to lower basement floors, they think it's just taking the floor out and the dirt out and pouring a floor, and that's never the case. These interior walls, footings, they always stop about where the concrete slab is in the basement. So then we have to form around this entire perimeter, make sure it's structurally sound, as well as retain that dirt. So we have to set up forms like this. These are going to go around the entire perimeter of the basement. We've got some plumbing here. You lower the basement floor, you're going to change the pitch of your sewer, the line, whether it goes to the alley or the street. So you're going to have to do an ejector system. So all this plumbing is going to have to come out and get redone. Do an ejector pit. But you can follow this project on my website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link. You can watch close to 2,000 videos of my projects. Thanks for watching, Jade Alpine, and I'll see you guys on the next one.